相像的。
Hello everyone, I'm Lee. In order to let you better understand our trucks, I will give you a detailed introduction. Now I'm sitting in our truck. Now you can see the dashboard, the steering wheel, and gearbox and gear shift. Every truck we have has two new keys. You can see the seat covers are all new, and behind the seat you can see a row of sleeping bed. The overall is clean and very comfortable. Thank you. We can see the tires. The tires are new. This is engine cylinder. It's also new. And the fuel tank looks very new. And the baggage of truck is also new. Please follow me. The length of baggage is 5.6 meters, and the width is 2.3 meters, and height is 1.5 meter. And the wheel lengths are also new. Please follow me. Look further down. This is engine. The engine model is WD 615.47. This part is oil water separator. It's also new. Okay. Yes, we can see the lifting of the body is very perfect. Our trucks are refurbished and inspected professionally in factory. According to the customer's requirements, we can provide low price and high quality to you. Thank you.